Welcome to UPSC Mentorship Tip of the Day. So why is Nepal issue important for UPSC Prelims 2026 and Mains? First, prelims angle. India and Nepal's relations are founded on the basis of Treaty of Peace and Friendship signed in 1950. India shares open borders with Nepal and it has deep cultural ties called as Roti and Beti ka Rishta. Thirdly, we have seen some border issues around like Kalapani, Lippu Lake and Shustar region. Now, the fourth fact is that China's growing interference or China's growing influence in Nepal is a challenge for India's neighborhood diplomacy. From mains, you have to remember this from the ethics angle. This is a classic example of ethical dilemma where India faces a dilemma between national interest, protecting national interest versus Nepal's autonomy and its sovereignty. So what should India do? Should it play the role of a big brother or the elderly brother, protecting its national interest and ensuring peace in Nepal, or should it respect the autonomy of Nepal? This is an example of ethical dilemma. Secondly, the values like mutual trust, non-interference are at stake in this case. So this can be a potential case study in your ethics paper, also related to international relations issues in paper number 4, that is GS Ethics. So what you need to remember, always add value-based analysis in your IR answers, not just ethics but also IR answers, because this is where ethics meet diplomacy. So that was tip of the day. Follow the series for daily UPSC mentorship. See you tomorrow.